Hey YouTube, it's Katie Makes, and today we're going to do a professional blind hem. It's easier than you think. First, I'm going to grab my safety seam ripper and rip out that hem. The serged part stays though. Then I'm going to press it down. This is just going to make it easier for you in the long run. You can see that I'm removing these extra threads and getting my workstation ready. I'm tall, so we're lengthening today. This is going to be your hem when you're finished. Fold over, fold back, land an accordion, and pin. I'm going to take a moment here to remind you to subscribe to my channel. I offer all sorts of tutorials and how-tos, long format and shorts. So with your pants inside out, you're going to fold to where you want the new hem to be, and then fold that back out. So now you have your raw edge kind of exposed and your new true hem tucked up under the fabric. Pin it. When we do the blind hem that's coming up, the majority of your stitches are going to be on this raw serged edge of your fabric here, and they're not going to show when you're finished. So your machine is going to go stitch, stitch, stitch on this main serged part and just jump over and hit the very edge of your fold. Quick break to rescue the Roomba, the hardest working machine in my sewing room, and now we're going to set up our machine. Pick a thread slightly darker than your fabric if you can, and we're going to go to our machine in the utility stitches and pick the blind hem stitch. It's the zigzag with the straight line. Now you're going to grab and pop on your blind hem foot. Should have come with your machine. It has that little white edge there to nudge the fold of your fabric up against. See how it helps me guide my fabric so that only the edge is caught. Now I got more than just the edge here, so I'm going to adjust my edge in to catch less of the fold and get a beautiful stitch, which I'm going to iron out so that my hem is professional and beautiful. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time.